Meet Bob. Bob truly loves learning English every single day. He reads his thick books and always tries his best to improve his skills.
He only listens to standard American English right now. He strongly believes that this is the only correct way to learn the language properly. Bob understands almost every word he hears on the internet. He feels very proud of his listening skills and his great daily progress. He thinks his English is completely perfect now. He feels very ready for the real world and any hard challenges that might come. One beautiful day, Bob gets a very exciting new job. It is located in a big international company with many people from everywhere.
Bob travels to his new office early in the morning. He is very excited and extremely happy to finally speak English with everyone.
He slowly opens the big door to the busy office. He immediately sees friendly people from all over the world working together there. Bob cheerfully says a warm hello to his brand new team. He feels fully prepared and is very ready to start working hard. A nice man from London politely asks him for some water, but the pronunciation sounds very different and completely strange to his ears.
Bob does not understand the British accent at all. He suddenly starts to feel very nervous, highly stressed, and extremely worried about himself.
Then, a friendly woman from Australia loudly says, "G-Day, mate!" Bob is completely lost and does not know what to say to her.
Bob sits down and feels deeply sad about this situation. Why is this happening to him today? He really studied so incredibly hard.
He quietly asks himself a tough question. Is my English actually bad? Did I learn the wrong things during all those long years?
He quickly tries to search for helpful answers online today. He desperately wants to fix his English listening skills as fast as possible. A very wise and kind teacher sees Bob looking sad. The teacher slowly brings a world globe over to his desk and smiles. The gentle teacher looks at him and says, "Your English is actually very good. But you only know one single accent right now."
English is truly a massive global language today. Millions of people speak it in many different and completely unique ways around the world.
Bob finally learns an important lesson today. He realizes that he really needs to expose his ears to many different sounds and voices. He happily realizes he must start practicing right away. He needs to listen to the whole wide world, not just one single country.
First, Bob bravely tries listening to the famous British accent. He plays a short video on his phone to hear the new sounds. He carefully listens to how the British people say common words. Words like water and better sound totally fresh and new to him.
It surely sounds a little bit strange to him at first. But very soon, he slowly begins to understand the words much more easily.
Next, he excitedly listens to a popular Australian podcast online. He really wants to learn their special speaking style and unique local words.
He quickly learns some brand new slang words today. He actually finds the Australian accent very fun and deeply interesting to listen to.
But what about the many other people out there? What about those who are not from America, Britain, or Australia in this world?
Many people speak English as their very useful second language. This beautiful and diverse style of speaking is proudly called Global English everywhere.
An Italian person speaking English usually sounds quite different. It sounds very different from a Japanese person speaking the exact same English sentence. An Indian person also has a very unique and highly beautiful English accent too. Every single voice is special and important to hear.
Bob seriously decides to train his ears every single day. He truly wants to be perfectly ready for any new accent he might hear.
He completely stops listening to only one single type of English. He mixes up his listening practice with many different voices and sounds. On Mondays, he relaxes and happily watches a great movie. The movie is made by wonderful actors from the beautiful United Kingdom today.
On Wednesdays, he uses his phone to listen to the news. He chooses a very interesting daily news channel straight from sunny Australia.
On Fridays, he loves to listen to long audio interviews. He chooses to hear smart people from all over Europe and Asia speaking.
He always pays very close attention to the small details. He notices exactly how different people pronounce the tricky vowels in different ways. This fun daily practice is just like a tough workout for his active brain. His listening ears are getting much stronger every single day.
Right now, his ears are incredibly flexible and highly active. They can quickly catch difficult words spoken in almost any accent out there.
A few busy weeks pass by quickly. Bob feels highly confident today. It is finally time to go back to his exciting work. He confidently walks right back into the big international office. He is definitely not afraid of hearing different accents anymore in his life.
He happily talks to the nice man from London again. This time, Bob perfectly understands absolutely everything the man says to him today. He loudly jokes and laughs with the friendly woman from Australia. They share a very great time talking together during their short break.
He calmly sits in a meeting and has a long phone call. He speaks easily with important clients from both France and Brazil. Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hola, tudo bem? Because his listening ears are very sharp now, the work communication is perfectly clear. He does not miss a single important word today.
Bob strongly wants to tell you a very important secret today. Please listen closely because this simple advice will change your life forever.
Do not ever limit yourself to just one single sound. Standard American English is truly great, but it is definitely not enough anymore. Always remember that accents are just like different types of beautiful music. People are all using the exact same English words to connect.
Go search for many different voices on YouTube right now. Spend some time today to carefully listen to the whole wide world speaking.
Make sure to firmly train your ears every single day. Work hard to make them extremely flexible, very sharp, and ready for anything.
When you clearly understand many different English accents well, you can easily connect and make good friends with absolutely everyone in the world.
You will easily become a true global citizen in no time. And speaking English will suddenly become a very easy and fun adventure.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Always expose your ears to the whole world and keep learning English every day.